Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to close a Google form, survey, or quiz so that way it's not accepting any more responses. So within your Google form, once you have it created or when you're creating it, go ahead on the top of your screen, there's a button called Responses. Navigate to this button and click Responses. You then will notice I don't have any responses yet to this form, but if I would like to close this form to no longer accept responses, I'm going to toggle this button on the right where it says accepting responses to off. Now this form is no longer accepting responses. I hope that this video helped you. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. Let's remember to stay positive, pursue the moment, and help somebody. Catch you in the next video.